Welcome back, guys. So in my previous video, that is tutorial 1, I have shown you how to create a portal for Tricentis and do the registration, then move on to licensing part, activate it, and then go for downloading the TOSCA commander and set up all these things. So I got so many queries and I felt that you guys are getting confused, so I have come up with an alternate video which will showcase the same thing but in easier way. So we will do it in two part 1 and part 2, including all the things like registration, creating portal, activating the license, and then go for downloading and set up the Tricentis TOSCA commander. So let's do it. So what we will do is, first we will go to Google, type Tricentis support hub, and then we will go to Tricentis support hub. Here what we will do, we will not copy paste any URL or something, link anything here. We will go to register. As you can see, login option is also there, which we will use or we can use once our registration will be done and activation will be done, and we will go to enter the details here and click on login. But as we are doing it from scratch, we will be going to register. So I will show you again from the start. We will come to Tricentis support hub and then click on register. So we will be directed to registration page of Tricentis support hub. So here what we will do, we will enter all our details. As these are personal, so I am not showing you by filling it. So just to remember two things, time zone will be Asia Kolkata for us, and once you will select it, select your business email. Please note that do not use your Gmail ID or personal email ID. Use your official that you are using in office. Then only you will be able to activate your the trial version for 60 days. Otherwise it will not work. So go back and do this thing and then come again, and then I will show you what will be the next step. Okay guys, so in next step, once I'm presuming you have done this part, so once these are done, what you have to do is you will be able to see a registration successful, please check your email for confirmation link. So once you will do it, you will get a confirmation link on your email ID which you have given, which is your official company's or organization's email ID. Go there, follow the process which will say that just for authentication you are doing it. So you have to do all those things there. So let's do it and then come again. Okay guys, so I assume you have already verified your email. So if you will go to your email, just I will brief, you will see verify me now option. So you have to click there and you will be directed to login page and success message. So in case you are not able to click on verify me now, there is another link given down in your mail. You have to copy that particular link, paste it in your URL, and then it will direct you to verify, and then you can come to login page and enter your login here. So what you have to do is you have to enter your login details here, and you will be directed to first page of Tricentis. So let me do it for you. I will just log in and then we can see what is the next page. So if you will see, after login I have directed to Tricentis support hub, where it is saying connect, collaborate and communicate. So this is the first page which you will see, and here you can see my profile already created, and from here you can do all the things related to TOSCA. Any of the tool you required, you can come here and you can download it from here. So we will see in next lecture as a part 2 that what we need to do after this registration, successful registration and validating our email ID. We will see those things in our part 2 video. Thank you till then.